Hello beautiful butterflies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well, staying safe and healthy and sane. It is going on week 5 now of me being in isolation. And as you can tell from the last video, my appearance looks drastically different. I'm just doing a bunch of stuff around the house, but I kind of wanted to do a vlog style video and just, you know, put on some skincare with you guys, show you guys some stuff that just came in the mail, do some decluttering, some reorganizing. I want to kind of get rid of some more clothes and reorganize a bunch of bins I have. So I just washed my face and I did wash my hands. So I'm now going to go in and tone my skin using the Pixie Beauty Glow Tonic. This is one of my definitely top 3 favorite toners by far. It just works so well. So now I'm going to go in with serums. I always apply my skincare thinnest to thickest. That's kind of a general rule of thumb for any of you guys wondering about when, like what order of products to apply your skincare. Always go thinnest to thickest. So I'm going to go in with the Inkey List Collagen Booster Serum, and I am just going to take a dollop of that and just pat that all into my skin. Next, I'm going to go in with my current favorite serum ever. It's the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Vitamin C Serum. This has been working so amazingly well on my skin. It has been making such a difference on all of my dark spots, my acne, my dryness, all of my pigmentation. It's just like doing such an amazing job. I'm obsessed with this. It smells like orange pop. Like, what makes you not want something that makes you smell like orange pop? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Next, I'm going to go in with the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Oat and Hemp Seed Dry Oil. This feels so nice on the skin. It just is a really nice, relaxing oil for the skin. It just does a really good job. And now I'm going to go in with some eye cream. I use the Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment with avocado. This is so nice and works so amazingly well on my under eyes. I'm really happy with the results that I'm having. It doesn't have any silicones in it and my eyes are super sensitive, and I haven't had any negative reactions or anything like that to this eye cream, so it's been great. I'm really happy with this. I love Kiehl's. I'm falling more and more in love with Kiehl's the more that I use it, and you will notice that shortly because I will be pulling out another one of their products right away here. So now I'm going to go in with the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. This is so good. It just, it's life-changing. It works so well, and I just ordered a huge tub of it because, as you can see, I am almost out of it. So now I'm going to go in with some moist SPF. This is the Juice Beauty SPF, just to give a nice layer of protection on top since it's still quite sunny outside. And I'm just patting this in because it is a very thick cream. I just don't want it too pale with the other products. I'm going to apply the Kiehl's Mango Lip Balm to my lips. This is so good. I'm going to seal my skin off with the Mario Badescu facial spray. Awesome. So now my skincare is done and now I can clean and reorganize. So come with me. So my closet has these white bins. If you guys watched my previous declutter video, you would have seen these white bins, and as you can see, they are just full of clutter and are super just disorganized. So I really want to go through and get these all sorted out. It's kind of just a mess. I also got some lovely stuff in the mail. I got a little kitten. Yes. And then I finally got these tops from Garage that I have been waiting for forever. They are so cute and I'm so happy I got them. So I want to get rid of some more clothes if I can. This is the facial steamer that I got off of Amazon. I'm really excited to use this, so I will keep you guys posted. I really want to reorganize my nightstand drawers. As you can see, they're kind of just stuffed full. So I am going to do that and take you along with me. So hopefully this isn't super boring for you guys and you enjoy this little cleanup. So this is what they're looking like up there now, and that's kind of like all my garbage and stuff like that, and this is what I'm going to be taking to the consignment store. This is looking much emptier. I organized a lot of the books that I had in there in the white bins, as you saw earlier, so I am now going to rejig and reorganize my entire nightstand area. Okay, so this is what the top drawer looks like after. I know it doesn't look too organized, but for me it's like organized chaos, so to me it's 10 times better than what it was before. I'm not going to show you the bottom drawer just because I'm going to keep this PG-13, but I got rid of so much stuff. Tons of jewelry and just like random bits and baubles because I went through these bins as well, but I just didn't want to film too much of it because again, a lot of it is organized chaos, so it's not too satisfying as the other stuff. But now I am going to go and see if there are any other clothes that I can get rid of. So let's see how that goes. So as you can see, I didn't really get rid of too many things. I did purge a lot in my last video. I just wanted to try and see if I could get rid of any more. The downside is, as much as I want to try and create one of those capsule wardrobes, I do need to have professional business clothes for work. So that's why I have more clothes than typical. So yeah, that is where I got with the clothes. Now what I'm going to do is take a break. I'm going to bag up all of that stuff there and put it in my car with all the other stuff I want to donate, and take out all the trash, all that fun stuff. So don't think you guys want to see that. So I'm going to reorganize the wicker baskets in the living room tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. I'm just going to edit that in from a different day because I'm done organizing right now. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Happy vlog day 2. As you saw yesterday, I reorganized all of the wicker baskets in my closet, got rid of a couple more clothes, and also reorganized my nightstand drawers as well as a couple of bins in just kind of generally upstairs. So today my goal is to tackle the wicker baskets behind me in the living room, because like I was saying on the video yesterday, when I kind of swapped the bins over, I just kind of shittily threw everything into the bins, and there's a lot of stuff in there that I don't need, yada yada yada. So I am going to go through those now and take you guys along, do this little time lapse, so have fun watching. Alrighty, so these are the 4 wicker baskets that I'm going to attempt to reorganize. These ones, I'm not sure, there's not going to be too much organizing that I can do in them, but just trying to make it more organized chaos, I guess you can say. And then this wicker basket, there's nothing I can really do to organize that any better. It's all of our board games, and I've already reorganized that one in the past, and we just haven't touched it, so that one's all good to go. But these are the ones I'm going to organize, so hopefully this is a little satisfying to watch. is day, I don't know, again. I'm going to clean up my vanity area right now and just kind of tidy up our bathroom, wipe everything down. So I'm going to go ahead and do this right now. So the next clip you will see this all clean. Beautiful butterflies, I just wanted to hop on here and properly end this vlog style video that I did. I hope you enjoyed watching just all the random things that I've been doing around the house just to try and stay busy and keep my head sane. Please, if you liked this video and want to see more, definitely give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. I also have an Instagram page where I post a lot more frequently if you guys would like to check that out as well. It's beautyredefinedbyholly. And yeah, that's about it. I was playing with some makeup on my face, which is why I just have random stuff on my eyes that don't match. So I apologize for that. Yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day and take care of yourselves. Do what you need to do for yourselves during this crazy time, whether that is, you know, staying busy and keeping occupied by doing a bunch of reorganizing or redecorating, stuff like that, or whether it's being super lazy and sleeping lots and watching lots of TV. Whatever you need to do for yourself during this time, make sure you do that and take care of yourselves, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!